Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe and may be excited for my class. So I am here to teach you SST Standard 3 Chapter 4, and the chapter name is Using Directions. So in previous class I think I had taught you up till page number 22, and I have taught you some topics. So today I am going to teach you from page number 22 the main directions. So before starting the chapter, that just take a short look. So just take a revise that whatever we have learned in previous class. So let's start. That here is the chapter is using directions. So the first topic is what? Here is two friends. Her name is Ankita and Sanya. Both read in class 3. Now both had become very good friends, but Ankita's what? He just invited Sanya to her birthday party, but Sanya never has been gone to Ankita's house. Now Ankita's what? He just draw in a rough copy. He just draw some routes from the bus stop to her house. So that drawing are called rough map, and which can understand Sanya's to reach the Ankita's house. So that is called a sketch. So it is a rough sketch without any measurement. She just draw only that yes, you can go that direction, then you will see this one. So direction, he just started to say like that Ankita. So before starting the explaining the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members and with your dear ones. And please don't go outside, because we are very in pandemic disease like the COVID-19. So it's better that we can enjoy inside our house and we can stay at home, and you can just attend your online classes also, and you can enjoy the lots of time. Means you can enjoy with your family members, like playing the ludos, PUBG, watch the TVs, then read the books, then write down the homework whatever I have given last all classes, last on the chapters, so that you can be stay at home and don't go outside. Now I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. So let's start that direction, that how she just indicates Sanya, so that Ankita's has reached her house, or sorry, Sanya's has reached her house or not. So Ankita's is what? He just started to draw something, and he said that from the bus stop we will just get down. Then you will see that you will just go straight down until you will not see a petrol pump. So I show you the picture that is in page number 22. So he just said that when you will just get down from the stop, you will go straight until you will not see a petrol pump. Then after you will turn round, then you will see a building, a long building, which has on a right side white flags are there. Then after you can turn left. Then you will see that one school is there. That school is called St. Paul. So that you will think that you will very close to my house. Then after you will just cross that street, and then you will see that at the corner side one letter box is there. So on letter box, then again you will turn left, and then you will see a white house and yellow house. In yellow house side, a big people tree in front of. So that's my house. So here is what? The petrol pump, bus, then red flag, St. Paul school letter box. It is just like a landmark, where she just indicates that yes, here is you have to reach, so that you will pass these all areas, then you will reach my house. So landmark is what? Landmark is what? That all the places from where the Sanya has passed on the way to Ankita's house. So that are called landmarks, like the petrol pump, the red flag, the St. Paul school, the letter box, in fact the white house, then the people tree also. So that all is what? Landmarks, which the marks on the land. It means the marks on the land. So it shows what? It shows that yes, that's the place where we are going. Then what? Landmark is what? It is different from other things, and so that we can see and we can remember it easily, and we can reach the place where we want to go. Next, a landmark is what? It helps us to know the area where we are and to reach our destination. Like Sanya, she wants to reach the Ankita's house. So she's just so Ankita has her explained that yes, flag, then petrol pump, then some police school letterbox. So that is what landmark. So it helps us what? It helps us also to reach our destination, now where we have to go. Then if suppose that sailor is so here is one topic like in page number 22, that like sailor is what? Who just travel through the water from one place to another. Now sailor is what? He always in the oceans and he looks for the different kinds of landmarks like island, then big rocks, and then lighthouse. So suppose that what happens when there is no land and only water is all around, no island, then no lighthouse, then no these all. So on that time they used what? They used the direction of moon. If night is there, then use the direction of moon, and if day is there, then use the direction of sun. So what? They help us to understand that where they are. So moon is what? They take the help of the sun when the moon and stars. So what? Sun is always comes up, means it rises from the east and it goes down, it sets in the west. So what? The directions of the sun rises and it goes down, so it helps to find out the directions to sailors. In fact, suppose sometimes the suns and moons it is hidden with the fog and with the cloud, then on that time what the sailors they use? So they use different type of instruments that are called compass. That instrument are called compass. So it is just like when we are wearing the hand watch, it is like that. So it always shows the point north direction. North is always on the top of our map. So what? With the help of compass they usually go from one place to another. Sailor use the compass to go from one place to another. So here is the picture of compass. I show you in the previous class I think, and I think that after the finished online class you have read already all the chapters. So let's go the next topic, main directions. Now how we can understood that which was what east direction and north direction, that we will see in this topic, main directions. Now in the morning stand in a park or an open area where you can see the sun. So suppose in the morning you can go outside where the all areas are open, or where you stand in a park. Now stretch out both your arms like that. You can stretch out your arms, both arms. Point your right hands towards the sun. Suppose the sun is rising towards the east, then our right hand we can what? We can raise, we can just stretch it towards the right hands in front of the sun. Then on your left hand is pointing to the west. Right hand sun, then left hand is what? Pointing to the west. So sun is what? It always rises on the east, then our left hand is always on the west. That means opposite side. Now in front of you is the north. So in front of my head is what? It always be a north. You can see in this picture the sun rises in the east. So what? One is a girl. So she just stretches her hand. So she just stretches right hand in front of the east side where the sun is rising, and the opposite side is the west. Then his top, the head is pointing, that is the north, and the again behind is her, it is what? South. So once you can know, understood that from where the sun is rises, so you can easily to find out the which direction is the north and which direction is the south. So there is no problem if you can understood that from where the sun is always rising in the east side. So if we can put our right hand on the east, then left hand on the right, means on the left. So it is always west, so east, west, and the top is our north, and the behind is what? It's always the north. So these all are the four main directions. So these all are is called what? These all are called the four main directions. Which four main directions are there? East, west, north, south. So these all is the main directions, four main directions. So if we want to know about the directions, then firstly we can see that from where the sun is rising and which the direction. So then after easily we can find out the directions. So there are four main direction: north, east, east, west, north, south. Now till there, then to the next class I will teach you the next all topics, maps and these all. Please guys watch the next videos for more information. Thank you and have a nice day.